Hello viewers, on the auspicious occasion of Chinese New Year, I decided to make a very popular Chinese comfort food using pork shoulder. The recipe is called braised pork shoulder and is really simple to make. Here I have around 1.6 kgs of good quality pork shoulder joint. You can see it has a thick layer of skin on it, which is going to give the recipe lots of flavor and make it juicy. I have chopped the pork shoulder joint into smaller pieces for this recipe. Heat some vegetable oil in a large pot. Add a dash of toasted sesame oil to it. Then we will add some star anise, cinnamon, chili flakes, cloves and white pepper into the pot. Make sure the oil is not very hot and give the pot a stir. Then add some sliced ginger into the pot and give it a stir. Now we are going to add 8 to 10 cloves of garlic with the skins on into the pot and give them a stir for around 10 seconds. And then it's time to add the pork pieces into the pot one by one. Now I will fry everything together for a few minutes to seal the pork. Then add 1 cup of light soya sauce into the pot and give it a stir. Then add 150 milliliters of Chinese rice wine into the pot, followed by 1/4 cup of dark soya sauce. Stir everything well. Now add enough water to cover and cook the pork. Add 2 bay leaves into the pot and just a little bit of salt since the soy sauce is salty. Cover and cook on low flame for an hour. After an hour, take the lid off to check if the pork is tender, and it is. Now I will add 2 tablespoons of palm sugar into the pot and mix it in. You can see that there's lots of gravy, so we are going to jack up the flame and reduce the gravy and then add half teaspoon of Chinese 5-spice powder to the pot, followed by a dash of toasted sesame oil. Stir the pot to mix everything together. Let me show you the pouring consistency of this gravy. This is the consistency we are looking for, and our delicious braised pork shoulder is ready to be served. Let's plate up this wholesome, very Chinese pork shoulder dish. Garnish with some sliced spring onions and serve with noodles or steamed rice. Try this simple yet extremely delicious pork recipe this Chinese New Year. If you like this recipe, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, The Omnivore Indian, for more. Enjoy!